Here I have Jaecoo 5 and let me show you how to use Advanced Equaliser. Let me show you how to get the best audio quality in Jaecoo cars. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then you need to open the settings. You can do this by using two different methods. You can simply tap the settings icon right here with the car, or you can use the car icon at the bottom of the screen. So both of the icons should open the settings. Now let's use the left menu to select the sound section. Under sound section you can scroll down and here you can find Advanced EQ. So this button opens the equalizer menu, the graphic equalizer menu, allowing you to fine-tune specific sound frequencies. You can see that you can here adjust all of the frequencies by yourself by tapping the custom button, and here you can adjust it to your needs, or you can use one of the presets. It could be pop, jazz, classic, rock, or vocal. So you can use one of them. In my case, I think jazz is the best for me, so let me leave it like that. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.